Ani. My name is Austin Lowe's and I'm the chairman of the Sault Ste. Marie Tribe of Chippewa Indians. I have two important updates for our membership this week. The first is related to our cyber attack recovery efforts, and the other is an update on what we know about the federal government announcing the cancellation of the BIA and IHS sanitation office leases in Sault Ste. Marie. Regarding the cyber attack, we announced last week that our tribe would not give in to the criminals' ransom demands. We made this decision after consulting with cybersecurity experts, law enforcement, and legal counsel based on two key factors. The first is that our cybersecurity experts were not only able to restore, but to also enhance our IT systems. And as a result of this, our government and business operations are now open, and our health division is very close to resuming normal operating hours. The second reason for not giving in to the criminals' demands was that we did not trust them to keep their word. After all, they are criminals. We could have paid the ransom, and they could have still leaked our data. I again want to say how sorry we are for the frustration and inconvenience that this attack has caused. But I also want to reassure everyone that we have taken steps to enhance our system, and we will be conducting further training with our entire staff to do everything that we can to ensure that something like this never happens again. Our tribe is working with cyber experts to determine what information may have been stolen and who that information belongs to. This is a time-consuming process that must be done thoroughly, so we ask for your patience. If we find that your data was compromised, you will receive a letter detailing how to sign up for a credit monitoring service provided to you free of charge. However, I strongly encourage everyone to take these steps right now to protect yourselves. Change your email and bank account passwords. Contact your credit card providers and inform them of this attack so they can monitor your account for suspicious activity. I also recommend placing a free fraud alert and credit freeze on your accounts. Next, I want to take a moment to address the recently announced closure of the Bureau of Indian Affairs and the Indian Health Service sanitation offices in Sault Ste. Marie. These offices are currently listed on the DOGE website as offices with upcoming lease terminations. It is unclear at this time whether that means that the offices will be permanently closed, if they will relocate to a different location, or if the leases will be renegotiated. We do not know because this administration hasn't consulted or communicated with Indian country, which is an issue. We are working with tribal leaders from across the state to seek more information from Washington on this issue. We are analyzing how the potential closures of the local BIA and IHS sanitation offices could impact our community. With that said, I want to be clear that the Sault Tribe Health Division is not directly impacted by these closures. Our health centers will remain open to provide the services our tribal community depends on. If you are concerned with the pending BIA and IHS closures, along with the other cuts, I encourage you to reach out to your representatives in Congress. I again want to thank everyone for your understanding as we deal with these issues. Our tribe is resilient, and we will continue to do everything that we can do to support each other and our community through these challenges. We will remain Sault Tribe strong.